It was an emotion-laden moment for the Speaker, Marcus Onobun, and other members of the House as the journey of the 7th Assembly, inaugurated via a proclamation by Governor Godwin Obaseki on June 17, 2019, came to an end. The Speaker and 9 other colleagues, in their remarks, recalled some major events recorded in the chamber during the last 4 years.
As our journey from 2019 ends, but our bond as brothers and family continues, and suffice to say that we have a collective bargain to ensure the state moves to the greater pedestal of greatness in the mega agenda of our dear states.
I want to thank the people of Obaseki who have given me opportunity twice to serve in this house. Without them, I wouldn't have been here.
There are so many issues, but I want to give thanks to God Almighty for His mercy.
What went on as the member of the House, as a Speaker, certainly will not go down the drain. I can assure you the elections get on board with no offense.
The House, as part of the Valedictory Session, approved the list of 15 commissioner nominees sent for consideration by Governor Godwin Obaseki.
The Committee of Government has posed business is sworn into action, and they have been cleared and reported to the office of Mr. Speaker.
The House also approved the sum of 3.5 billion naira loan facility requested by Governor Godwin Obaseki. 2 billion naira is to fund critical infrastructure at the Stella Obasanjo Hospital, while 1.5 billion naira is for the procurement of vehicles for the incoming 24 members of the 8th Assembly and for the Chief Judge of Edo State. The House at the Committee of a Whole considered and passed some pending bills. They include a bill for a law to amend the pension rights of the Governor and Deputy Governor Law 2007, and a bill to amend the law to make provisions for the emolument of elected political officers and public officers 2007. The session concluded with the adoption of House rules passed amidst controversy. The House thereafter adjourned indefinitely.
This House adjourned sine-die.
The 8th Edo State House of Assembly is billed for inauguration on 16th June 2023. Kingsley Uchegbu, ITV News.